Path to peaceful profits. The canyon between average to poor trading and great trading can be wide and deep. Nearly every trader who sets out to cross the canyon to become an ongoing profitable trader starts out keen for the adventure with a map that includes some sort of analysis or source of trading ideas to tread the journey. If you take a trial and error path without the right map and attitude, the journey to cross the canyon can take 10 times longer and be so much tougher. After engaging the ups and downs and vagaries of the stock market environment, average to poor traders eventually become pessimistic, distrustful, worn out and confused. Most end up stumbling around and around in circles on the canyon floor without ever finding their way out of the wilderness of trading drawdown and disappointment. The market does this to traders who are mentally unfit for the journey. Sure, they have wins, but the bigger losses drain them of confidence, discipline, focus, and consistency. The great majority give up, forlorn and in emotional pain, still in drawdown circling the canyon floor. They typically return to mutual funds and financial advisors, where they'll endure subpar returns forever, mentally defeated by the market. They never finish their active investing journey to acquire the necessary skills to rise off the canyon floor to reach new heights of skill and profitability. A few find a coach or mentor to guide them out of the canyon to the other side, to being consistently profitable and peaceful traders. You see, it's not what great traders have that's so crucial. It's mainly what they lack, which holds poor traders back. Great traders have discovered what to unlearn and which dysfunctional habits and beliefs to get rid of that trip them up. Their differentiator is not some great analysis map or strategy. Sure, all great traders use some analysis method. A well-researched, clear-cut path on a map is way better to follow than ill-defined wandering tracks. Objective analysis plays an important role in being a great trader, but the key to their success is not some little-known analysis technique or treasure map, and it's not relying on intermittent early bird trading ideas from social media, a newsletter, or an advisor. Great trading is the proper execution over and over again of objective trading ideas that have an edge, mistake-free. And this requires great mental skills, not great analysis skills. Yes, there is a way to trade mistake-free and do so peacefully without any discomfort or despair when you lose, are wrong, miss out, or leave money on the table. Aren't those all mistakes? Not to traders who are mentally fit, who think from the market's perspective, who completely accept all risks as a normal part of the journey, so they take them in their stride without a single misstep and stay in the endless stream of opportunities that the market continuously offers from its perspective. Mentally fit traders lack fear of buying or selling too early or too late, and lack the fear of losing or being in drawdown. They've got rid of feeling distrust and disappointment in themselves and the market whenever their trading idea is wrong or they experience drawdown and lost trades. These are the types of experiences and videos you will discover on this YouTube channel, and what Sharewell Systems offers swing traders who want to be consistently successful and peaceful in the stock market. Sharewell Systems offers the 4-week Process Plus Mindset Training Intensive, where you can acquire mentally fit swing trading skills for yourself. So subscribe to this YouTube channel to learn more, to grow your knowledge and your skills. I wish you consistent, objective, and peaceful active investing.